Hey guys, it's Zika. I was watching Sniper Wolf on the Nintendo Switch, but for some reason it's not working. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Just look. You have to force the power button to go down. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, it's not working. I saw the YouTube video and it worked. Okay, probably I just have to try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not working. See, I'm gonna show you another way. Just wait. I'm just gonna think of another plan. Guys, I found another plan and basically that was nothing. That's the only plan I had. Okay, let's do it again. And if this doesn't work, I'm gonna delete my YouTube. That's joking, I'm not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm still not gonna delete my YouTube, but what? Nintendo Switch, literally. I saw this in a YouTube video. How? Okay, I'm gonna find another way, I guess. Where this will work, I think. I don't know. Because I swear this will work. Okay, not working thing. I just have to do a hard reset. Sniper Wolf. To wait for my older brother next time to come, so I'm gonna see you guys later. I did that wrong. It was not 8 seconds. It was actually 10 seconds. I have to wait 10.